First thing you want to do is make sure that you have access to voice chat in the first place. And you can do this by clicking on the three dots here, going to settings, then privacy, and under microphone and camera input, you will see use microphone to chat with voice. If this doesn't appear at all, you'll have to go and verify your identity in account info. Once that's done, make sure you come back here to activate this option. Alright, so now we can go ahead and launch our favorite Roblox game.
Kill them all. Make them suffer.
Kill them all. Make them suffer.
Now you can go to voicemod.net where you can click here to download and install VoiceMod. And when you open it, it'll ask you to select your microphone, to select your headphones, and it will create a virtual audio device that you can use with any software. Alright, so this is the voice box. This is where you can select all the voice changers you would like by simply clicking on them. This one is called Low Mod. Now bottom left, you'll have some options to hear yourself so you can hear the effect, to activate and deactivate the voice changer, and for specific voices, background effects. This one comes with a song, so you can freestyle. Oh. What happened? Now back in Roblox, you want to open up your menu by either clicking top left here or pressing escape on your keyboard. You want to go to settings, then you want to go to input device and make sure that you have VoiceMod virtual audio device selected. From there, top left, you can click on the icon to activate your microphone. If not, you can also just click on the icon above your head. Testing 1, 2, 3. As you can see, now people around me can hear me. Hey, hey, hey. Oh. It's that kind of game? Maybe I don't want to play after all. Now in VoiceMod, it's important to note that you can set keybinds for specific voices by clicking on the right here. That way you won't have to tab out to select your favorite voices. If you would like to turn the voice changer off, you can either set a keybind to go back to clean here, or a keybind to toggle the voice changer option here. And you do that by going to settings, keybinds, and voice changer on/off. Alright, I'm ready, let's go. Oh no.
Why am I holding a Pez dispenser?
I think there's a leak somewhere. Who would have thought this was Roblox? I just moved into the neighborhood. How you doing? One more tip. VoiceMod also comes with this huge soundboard with a large variety of sound effects that you can play for everyone to hear. But on top of that, they also have community sounds where you can find all the memes uploaded by VoiceMod users. And you can add them to your own board by clicking right here. Select your board and click add. Just like the voice changers, you can set up a custom keybind to play them whenever you feel like it.